You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce these two words correctly. They're both very confusing, some of the most confusing words in English. They have different meanings. The top word here is a routine task, that is something that you do in the house that is a bit boring, and it's a chore. That's British English, chore, or Americans say it as chore. The bottom word is more of an organized group of singers, people who sing together. That's a choir in British English, so that's your bottom word, spelling S-C-H-O-I-R, a choir, or in American English, choir. So top word is a chore, or the plural is chores. The bottom word is choir, plural choirs. Did you get this? Was this any useful? Let me know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.